Welcome back to Wheelora. Today we're stepping inside something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Vision GrandLiner X. Imagine this, a luxurious home on wheels, designed not just for travel, but for living the ultimate mobile lifestyle. And yes, this beauty comes with 4 comfortable beds, perfect for family or friends, making every journey a dream. From the moment you lay eyes on its sleek exterior, you know this isn't your ordinary motorhome. The Vision GrandLiner X stretches impressively long, with a modern aerodynamic design that blends elegance with power. Its pearl white finish and chrome accents catch the sunlight in a way that almost demands a second look. Large tinted windows line the sides, giving it that perfect balance of privacy and natural light, while also hinting at the incredible interiors waiting inside. Every curve, every detail feels meticulously crafted. This is a motorhome built for those who expect the very best. Let's step inside and start our tour. First, the living area. Walk in, and you're greeted by 2 luxurious L-shaped sofas arranged around a sleek wall-mounted TV. It's the perfect spot to relax, watch your favorite shows, or enjoy an evening with friends. Notice the elegant dark wood accents, soft ambient LED lighting, and a warm, inviting atmosphere. It instantly feels like home, only more opulent. From here, a small staircase leads you to the second-floor private master bedroom, giving you that feeling of a mobile mansion. Now, let's move over to the kitchen. This isn't just a kitchen. It's a culinary space designed for serious cooking even on the road. Imagine yourself preparing breakfast here. Sleek white and gray cabinetry, stainless steel accents, and LED lighting that highlights every detail. Ample counter space makes it easy to chop, mix, or serve, while clever storage solutions keep everything neat and accessible. The large panoramic window above the sink brings in just the right amount of daylight, making cooking a pleasure even while parked in the middle of nowhere. Adjacent to the kitchen, we have the dining area. This space is designed for connection. A marble dining table with 6 upholstered chairs sits under soft recessed lighting, ready for family dinners or entertaining guests. A centerpiece like a vase with fresh flowers adds that touch of elegance. What I love here is how the design flows naturally from the kitchen to the lounge, creating an open, airy space that still feels cozy and luxurious. Storage is always a concern in motorhomes, but the GrandLiner X solves that beautifully. Multiple built-in cabinets, overhead compartments, and a dedicated luggage area ensure that every piece of gear, every suitcase has its place. There's even a small folding workbench area for practical needs, proving that luxury doesn't mean sacrificing functionality. Of course, comfort is key, and this is where the bedrooms shine. Let's start with the 4-bed setup. On the main floor, 3 single beds are neatly arranged in a row, perfect for kids, friends, or guests. Each bed is thoughtfully designed with soft bedding, decorative pillows, and privacy considerations, giving everyone their own personal space. It's rare to find a motorhome with this much sleeping capacity without feeling cramped, and the GrandLiner X manages it effortlessly. Up the staircase, you reach the private master bedroom on the 2nd floor. This room is all about indulgence. A king-sized bed with plush linens sits at the center, flanked by modern nightstands and elegant lamps. The subtle combination of dark wood, soft LED lighting, and carefully chosen decor gives the room a refined yet cozy feel. Even the windows here are tailored to the motorhome, ensuring privacy while offering a view of the open road or a serene landscape when parked. There's also a marble-top dresser, a vanity, and a mounted flat-screen TV, completing the luxurious atmosphere. Next, let's talk about the washroom. It's spacious, modern, and designed to feel like a private spa. A dual vanity, sleek glass shower, and contemporary toilet are complemented by brushed nickel fixtures, marble tiles, and a clean, minimalist layout. Even in a moving home, this space manages to feel serene and high-end, which is exactly what you want after a long day of travel. So what sets the Vision GrandLiner X apart from other luxury motorhomes? First, the combination of space, design, and luxury features. Most motorhomes compromise either on sleeping capacity or lavishness, but this one offers both. 4 beds and ultra-luxury living areas. The 2nd-floor private master suite is another standout feature, giving you a sense of exclusivity and privacy rarely seen in motorhomes. Add to that the meticulous attention to detail, from LED lighting to sleek cabinetry, from panoramic windows to ergonomic furniture, and you've got a vehicle that feels like a rolling 5-star hotel.